everybody I've spoken to is like, no, she didn't. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So from the jump off, you know what to do. Press that little red button below and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social medias, Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram. All links are below. So today is a story time that makes my blood boil. Let me start from the beginning. I wanted a Fenty Beauty. I was like, I don't care, I'm not going to buy any more foundations until I get my hands on this Fenty Beauty. I've heard so much amazing things about it. It's like girl Riri's. It was like the product of 2017. Let's be honest. And it's the product 2018. Harvey Nichols is such a long way. Well, it's not really, but it's a good amount of distance from where I live. But I was in central London and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go and get myself my Fenty Beauty. I'm going to do it. So I got on the tube, hot and sweaty, feeling gross, went to Harvey Nichols. Beautiful store. Absolutely a beautiful store. If you know about Harvey Nichols, it's a high-end, fancy store in London that sells all of the designers that you can imagine. It's just a beautiful store. Found my way to the beauty section, looking. I saw Fenty Beauty. It was just, loads of people everywhere. And I thought, you know what, so I pottered over, had a little look at the items that were being sold. Obviously we all know everything that they're selling because we probably watched so many tutorials about Fenty Beauty. So I got to the cash desk and I was like, oh, I really want to get a match for my shade. What do I do? And she was like, you need to stand in the corner. I was like, oh, do you know what you're like? I was a bit taken aback about her customer service. I was like, oh, okay. So I stood in the corner waiting for like 10 minutes, but I knew it would be a good wait because there was a lot of people, which is understandable. Was a lot of people, waited for 10 minutes. I was like, okay, cool. A girl comes over to me and she goes, have you served? I was like, oh no, I'm just waiting for someone to do like a colour match on my skin for a foundation. And she was like, okay. She was like, she sat me down and she was like, have you got any foundation on at the moment? I said, yeah, I do. She then went, I'm just going to go and get some wet wipes to wipe away your foundation and I'll come back. And I was like, okay. So I sat there. She comes back to me. We don't have any wet wipes. And I looked at her. She looked at me. A little awkward kind of silence. I was like, okay. And then she was like, okay, I'm going to come see if we've got any like cotton buds and I'll come back. She went away again, came back. She's like, we have no cotton buds. I was like, I looked at her with puzzledness and confusion and, baby girl, where is your items? You know this is a beauty stand. You know that, 60% of the women coming here have got foundation on. You're going to need to wipe that away. I was like, I don't know. So then she was like, oh, okay, wait 1 minute. So I see her pottering over to the side and I see her do this sort of action and then come back with a bit of tissue. I thought, oh, maybe she found something to do something with a bit of tissue, maybe some cleansing water or something. She proceeds to wipe my foundation off my face. Meanwhile, I was like, that smells quite strong. I know that smell, but I was like, okay. Wiped it away, put the foundation on, and then I was like, oh, something feels a bit stingy. I thought, sorry, she put the primer on, then the foundation, because obviously they're trying to sell the primer, because they come as a duo, all of that stuff. So I thought, oh, maybe the primer's giving me a little bit of a tingling sensation. So I thought, okay, cool. And I was like, oh, I need to go and have a look of what my foundation looks like in the light. Can I go outside and kind of have a look at my face? And she was like, oh yeah, cool, here's a mirror. So as I walked past, I looked down to see what she pumped. She pumped hand sanitizer on a bit of tissue and wiped my face with hand sanitizer in Harvey Nichols Fenty Beauty. What's happening? I was so shocked. I was so like a wave of I'm gonna fuck a bitch up and I need to get out of here before I fuck a bitch up came over me. So I was like, I didn't even go outside. I turned around. I gave her back the mirror. I was like, I'm going now. She was like, what? What's happening? I was like, I need to go. I had to get out of there. I had to leave the store ASAP because I was about to catch a bitch in Harvey Nichols' Fenty Beauty floor. Do you know, I couldn't believe, all my friends are like, you know, why didn't you say something to the manager? Why didn't you do? I was like, because my mind was on 100. I was like, I'm gonna absolutely have to catch a case at Fenty Beauty. I was like, I can't believe this happened. So with all that, I had like this deep tingling sensation. I had to go to Boots across the road to get some wet wipes to wipe the hand sanitizer, the primer and the foundation off my face. A day later, a massive rash comes up on my face, under my eye, on my nose, because of the goddamn hand sanitizer. I had to take a day off, not a day, don't lie, Elayne. I had to take an afternoon to go to the doctor's off of work. I had to buy my prescription that costs now £8.40, a big £8.40 it costs for prescriptions these days, to solve the situation that I have here. And let me tell you, it hasn't gone. It's still there, living life like it's twice. I am so angry, disappointed. The brand, is not their fault, because sales assistants do things that they're not supposed to do. Do you know what I mean? Like, we've all been sales assistants. We've all done things, well, we're not supposed to do. I think she was just a bit shocked, didn't know what to do, saw hand sanitizer, saw tissue and thought, perfect. I'm saying no. We were surrounded by NARS, MAC, Estee Lauder, whatever. They could have gone to get, you know, something to wipe this makeup off my face. I had to write an email. Do you know when something builds up on you? I was like, do you know what, Elayne, leave it. I was like, no, someone has to pay for this, what's on my face at the moment. So I emailed Harvey Nichols and let them know what happened. I had an email back very swiftly. Within literally 2 hours, someone emailed me back, obviously saying how sorry they are. It's not usually Harvey Nichols' standards. I was like, okay, cool. Then I got, my email has now been passed to the manager of the beauty hall at Harvey Nichols. They emailed me back. It was very much a generic email saying that, you know, we're sorry, it's not that Harvey Nichols' standards, or talk to the girls on Fenty Beauty. This is not, you know, what we expect. Perfect, cool, amazing. I'm saying no. I want, you know, something for this situation. I've now got something happening here that is beyond just a little bit of E45 cream. This is now medication, like steroidy cream that I'm now putting on my face. This is a situation for me which I am not happy with. I'm going down the correct routes to get this sorted though. I didn't shout at anybody. I'm being very professional. I just had to let you guys know about this little story time about hand sanitizer is like 99.9% this in there. The skin on your face to the skin on your hand is so different. So different. She put hand sanitizer on my face and I had an allergic reaction to it. It would happen to me though. Of all the people, it would happen to me. And let me tell you, I would still be trying to get my Fenty Beauty. Maybe not anytime soon, because they're only selling Harvey Nichols, and I don't really know my shade because I went so red, so I can't remember what shade she put on my face. Can't really remember anything. So I will be hopefully getting Fenty Beauty one day because I want to try it because it seems like an amazing product. Harvey Nichols, obviously I don't blame you because you obviously, you know, you've got back to me and done your thing very swiftly and very professional. I just hope things get sorted out for me. I keep you all updated with my Fenty Beauty sanitizer situation. But yeah, if you've had any kind of random craziness that has happened to you at a beauty stand and it's gone terribly wrong, let me know. I want to hear your stories down below. Please say it's just not me. Please say it's just not me and my bad karma. On that note, don't put hand sanitizer on your face because you get a rash. Bye. So, have a beautiful week and I shall see you all soon. Bye.